So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be the 14th challenge in 30 days of React JavaScript. So here you can see we have another problem statement. Create a special tool in React called local storage, or you can say use local storage. This is basically going to be a custom hook which we are gonna creating. So that helps easily connect to an API and store data in a way that works smoothly with different parts of my website. Okay, so we have to create basically a custom hook which called use local storage. So those who don't know about local storage, so here is a short explanation about local storage. So the local storage object allow you to store key value pairs in the browser. Okay, means you can say a proper object or a data which is in the form of key value pairs. Okay, so data stored is not deleted when the browser session ends. Whenever the user tries to close the browser, so data is not deleted from there and it persists even after closing and reopening the browser. Okay, so whenever the user will open the browser again, so with the use of local storage, it will fetch the data which was previously seen in the browser. So that is something we use. So we have to create a custom hook and then we will implement our logic to fetch the API response whenever the user will click on a button. So you can also use this part of code in any other website where you want to use and where you want to store the data dynamically with the local storage. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the awesome videos. So let's get started. First of all, we have to create a React arrow functional component for that. Okay, and now I will create a custom hook. So I will create a folder first of all. In the components, I will create a folder name custom hook. Now we will create our hook which is use local storage.jsx. Now we will make React arrow functional component export, and now here we will make one variable which is const stored value is equals to json.parse local storage dot get item. So we are getting the item key or initial value. So we will pass the key and initial value from our tool.jsx. Okay, from there we will get these. So now we will make one use state. Here we will write value and set value is equals to use state stored value. So from here we will get our initial value, and with the help of useEffect we will set our final state. So we will remove this return statement. We will write local storage dot set item. With the help of useEffect it will re-render the DOM, and then we will set our item in local storage json dot stringify value. Now with the help of key and value we will re-render the DOM. Okay, so in the return statement we don't want the JSX, we have to return a value and the final state set value. So we will accept use state and useEffect from React. So now we will come back to our tool.jsx, and here we will have to import the use local storage. So we will import use local storage from custom hook and use local storage. So just like the use state we will write use local storage. Okay, and here we will write initially data and it will be set data. Okay, and now here I will pass a string which is my data, and on the other side it is an empty array. So now we will make a function which is fetch data. Fetch data is equals to arrow function javascript. We will write try catch for error handling, and we will write const response is equals to await fetch. So it accepts a URI, basically a URL link. So we will go to the Chrome browser and we will write jsonplaceholder.com. So it is basically free fake API for testing and prototyping, so you can use this. So I will use this users endpoint. I will get a 10 array of users. So I will copy this URL endpoint paste it here, and we have to make our function asynchronous for that, for making API call. Now we will write const new data is equals to await response to JSON, convert the response to JSON. So now we will update our final state to set data will be new data. So this will update the state, and in the case by chance if the API fail, then we will display the error. So console.error error.message. So now inside div we will make one button, and we will give a class name also to btn primary, and inside button we will write fetch data. We will write a onClick function, and we will pass this fetch data to the onClick one. Now we will write paragraph, and inside paragraph we will write data equals to JSON.stringify data. So now I have to make route for this, so tool.jsx. So I will go to my app.jsx file, okay, and here I will copy this route and will write tool component. So now with the help of yarn dev I will start my server, yarn dev. So it will start my server, localhost 5173. So localhost 5173/tool. Okay, so something is wrong, I think. So I will check in the console. Key is not defined. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I think I forgot to pass key here. Okay, we have to accept key and initial value also. So same this one, the initial value, and now we are good. Now if I go to my application, you will see if I click on the fetch data, all the data I received. So that is something you can use. It is basically a small application which uses a local storage functionality of JavaScript to make the API response, and you can also use this part of code in any other application and in any other component where there is a need of storing data to the browser. Okay, so this is something which you can use, and we have created our custom hook which use local storage with the help of use keyword, and inside use local storage we have the variables which are responsible for getting the items from the local storage, and with the help of useEffect we are setting the items into local storage, and same in the main file which is tool.jsx we are making an API response, and the set data and the initial data is coming from the use local storage. So from that we are making the API response, and when we click on the fetch data function, okay, it will make an API call and use local storage responsible for storing the data in the local storage. So that is something which you can use. So this is it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding this, so let me know in the comment section. Until then, thank you for watching.